Imagine traveling back in time more than 200 million years ago. The world looked very different. There were no humans, no cities, and no cars. Instead, giant creatures walked across the land. These creatures were called dinosaurs. But dinosaurs were not just one kind of animal. There were hundreds of different types of dinosaurs. Some were small, some were enormous, some ate plants, and some were dangerous hunters. Today, we are going to explore some of the most interesting types of dinosaurs. Meat-eating dinosaurs first. Let's talk about the hunters. These dinosaurs are called theropods. Theropods walked on two legs and had sharp teeth and claws. One of the most famous predators in history is Tyrannosaurus rex. This dinosaur lived about 66 million years ago. It was about 12 meters long and had incredibly strong jaws. Its teeth were as big as bananas. Even though it had very small arms, its bite was powerful enough to crush bones. Another famous hunter was Velociraptor. Movies often show this dinosaur as large and scary. But in reality, velociraptors were about the size of a turkey. Scientists believe they were fast, intelligent, and possibly hunted in groups. Giant long-necked dinosaurs next. Let's look at the gentle giants. These dinosaurs are called sauropods. Sauropods were the largest animals ever to walk on land. They had extremely long necks and tails. One famous example is Brachiosaurus. This dinosaur could reach the tops of tall trees with its long neck. Another giant dinosaur was Diplodocus. Diplodocus had a very long tail that looked almost like a whip. Some sauropods could grow longer than 30 meters. Even though they were huge, they were peaceful plant eaters. Horned dinosaurs. Another fascinating group is the horned dinosaurs. The most famous of them is Triceratops. The name Triceratops means three-horned face. It had two large horns above its eyes and one horn on its nose. It also had a large bone shield on the back of its head. These dinosaurs used their horns for protection against predators like Tyrannosaurus rex. They lived near the end of the dinosaur age. Armored dinosaurs. Some dinosaurs had natural armor. One of the most impressive armored dinosaurs was Ankylosaurus. Its body was covered with thick plates of bone. But the most dangerous weapon was its tail. At the end of its tail was a huge club. If a predator attacked, Ankylosaurus could swing its tail like a hammer. A single hit could break bones. Because of this, many predators avoided attacking it. Duck-billed dinosaurs. Another interesting group is the duck-billed dinosaurs. These dinosaurs are called Hadrosauridae. They had flat mouths that looked like a duck's bill. One famous species is Parasaurolophus. This dinosaur had a long curved crest on its head. Scientists believe this crest may have helped them make loud sounds. These sounds may have been used to communicate with other dinosaurs. Duck-billed dinosaurs often lived in large groups called herds. Feathered dinosaurs. For a long time, people believed all dinosaurs had rough reptile skin, but new discoveries changed that idea. Scientists discovered that many dinosaurs had feathers. Some small dinosaurs looked very similar to birds. In fact, modern birds are believed to be the descendants of dinosaurs. That means dinosaurs never completely disappeared. They are still alive today in the form of birds. Conclusion: dinosaurs were some of the most incredible animals that ever lived. There were hunters like Tyrannosaurus rex. There were giants like Brachiosaurus. There were armored defenders like Ankylosaurus. Each type of dinosaur was unique. Scientists in the field of paleontology continue discovering new fossils even today. Every discovery helps us learn more about the ancient world. Dinosaurs may have lived millions of years ago, but their story still fascinates people everywhere.